Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore gently greeting all of our emotions as they arise, learning to accept them with acceptance and openness. Begin by settling into a comfortable seat. Gradually lengthen your back so you're not creating any tension. Relax your shoulders, letting them soften away from your ears. Soften your arms and gently rest your hands in your lap. And slowly close your eyes. Now, become aware of how you're feeling. Drop any judgments here. There's no right or wrong, good or bad. You're simply taking a moment to acknowledge how you're feeling right now. Notice your body, your heart, your mind. And now, gently direct your attention to your breath. Let your breathing get deep and slow. And for the next few moments, notice how it feels to take expansive inhales and soft, slow exhales. Now, let your breathing settle back to a spontaneous rhythm once more. Inhale and exhale effortlessly, just watching the instinctual ebb and flow of your breath. Let your breath move freely in and out of your body. Remain as present as you can with each inhale and exhale. And allowing your attention to widen just a little, notice if any emotions are present right now. See if you can allow whatever is there to be there. Let your emotions simply appear and disappear, just like the rise and fall of your breath. No labels, no good or bad, just breath and whatever else comes. Rather than trying to push any of your feelings away, get curious. Greet whatever is coming up and let it move through you, knowing that what shows itself will inevitably shift and soften into something else. Welcome your experience just as it is, creating space for all of it as you keep returning to the breath, moving in and moving out. Now, gently lean into your emotions and observe where you feel them in your body. Is there a tightness in your chest? Tension in your throat? Are you gripping your stomach? Get curious and feel into your body. Notice the physical sensations. And now, imagine that you are watching your experience as though looking in from outside. Instead of letting your emotions define you, watch them from a distance, becoming an interested observer. You are experiencing your emotions, but they do not represent who you are. Now gently direct your attention back to your breath. With each inhale, breathe in love. With each exhale, kindness. Inhale, love. Exhale, kindness. And simply stay with the comfort of your gentle breath. Now, gently widen your attention. Whether we learn to bury our anger as kids or society has told us it's not okay to cry in public, many of us have never been taught how to handle our emotions. It's no wonder we've learned to push them away, judging certain feelings as wrong or unacceptable. Through our meditation practice, we develop mindfulness that teaches us to bolster self-acceptance and to recognize there are no good or bad emotions. Instead of putting them in boxes and shoving some of them away, we learn to observe our emotional landscape as though watching cars drive by on the street. We see a red one moving slowly, a yellow one weaving smoothly in and out of lanes. And the cars are just cars. We don't judge them. we just notice them. So what if we could do the same for our emotions? Instead of judging them or trying desperately to hang on to the ones that are pleasant and stifle the ones that are painful, we can learn to make room for our experience just as it is. We can notice how sadness rises, and with time, it morphs into something else. Frustration, joy, surprise, or fear all come up and eventually fade away, giving room to another feeling. And as we build this awareness, we also create wisdom and understanding from which we can think and act with more clarity. So set the intention of welcoming your emotions with curiosity and space. Drop the shoulds and shouldn'ts and learn to accept your feelings just as they are, trusting that they will shift. From this place, you can make conscious decisions about what to do with your emotions. Now slowly return to your breath. Become aware of the sounds in the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. See you again soon.